Hey guys, welcome back. It's time for another holiday video. This is the Monte Carlo. So we've done 3 cream drinks in a row. You can check those out in the card up there. So I figured we'd switch things up today and make a nice stiff sipping cocktail. The Monte Carlo first appeared in 1948 in David Embry's The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. Now while it's technically not a holiday cocktail, for me, it's my favorite old-fashioned variation to sip during the holidays, during the Christmas season, because of this ingredient, Bénédictine, which to me is just, it's Christmas liqueur. It really is. The spices, the herbs, it's fantastic. So we're starting with 2 ounces of our rye whiskey. I'm using Dillon's Rye. It's a small Canadian distillery. They make amazing spirits and liqueurs. 2 ounces. Now next up is we follow our old-fashioned template, is our sugar element, which in this case is going to be our liqueur, Bénédictine, which is a French liqueur that has a variety of herbs and spices, and it, like I said, this is what brings that Christmas flavor to our drinks. We're going to do a ½ ounce of Bénédictine. And on to our bitters. So the original recipe did call for just Angostura. So 2 dashes of Ango is what we're going to do. I always like to add some additional bitters. A lot of recipes will call for 2 dashes of Peychaud's, and I often do Peychaud's. It's very good in this recipe, but I figured we'd switch things up, make it a little more Christmassy. We could do ginger bitters, Dillon's ginger bitters. I've got grapefruit, nah. What was that? Lavender, no. Chocolate might work. Honey, no. And here we go, Cardamom Bitters. So 2 dashes of that as well. I know I'm doing more than 2, but those little bottles really don't dash well. But just play around with the bitters. I love bitters. It's a great way to add little hints of other flavors to your drinks. So yeah, play around, see what you like. All right, we're filling our mixing glass with ice. I always like to add some cubes and then crack a larger cube. Come on. Get her. There we go. All right. So lower your spoon and commence stirring. Ugh. Try not to move the glass around. The ice is stiff. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that bell. Get notified every time we release new content. We're doing a whole series of holiday videos. So click that card up there. See all our previous videos. We're on video 4. Got lots more holiday drinks coming up until the end of the year. Even got a few New Year's ones coming. RobIMX, I'm on Instagram, go follow. Okay, so the ice is settled now. As you can see, it's lower in the glass. That means it's settled. I'm stirring with ease. That means we've got some dilution going. We're good. Okay, so we're gonna grab our julep strainer, stick that in there. Let's grab our glass of choice, which is gonna be this nice, tall, etched rocks glass. It's pretty. We're gonna add a nice big clear ice ball. I love those with old fashions. And slow, sexy pour into the glass. The ball just disappears because it's clear. Lovely. Okay, garnish. This one's pretty simple. We're gonna do pretty traditional, like an old fashioned. We're gonna do a nice big orange peel. Gonna express some of those oils on there, rub the rim, rub the glass, and then stick it right there. Behind the ice, we're also gonna do some nice Luxardo cherries. I don't often do cherries, but hey, it's Christmas. Go nuts. And there you have it. There is the Monte Carlo. Okay, so let's give it a taste. So right on the nose, you're gonna get some citrus from the orange peel, but also from the Bénédictine. There's a whole lot of spices going on there. Some cardamom, some nutmeg, kind of like pine, Christmas tree. That's what it smells like. It smells like a Christmas tree. It really is the Christmas liqueur. And of course that rye. On the taste, it's syrupy, it's sweet. The rye comes through, that pepper bite from the rye. It's just a fantastic way to drink an old-fashioned. So highly recommended, guys. give it a try, and we will see you next week, continuing our series of holiday drinks. Cheers, guys.